Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So let's start your EVS class. Your 8th chapter, My Home, which already started before this puja vacation, right? And in this chapter, this exercise part, the question time, which we already completed at the page 47, which we already completed, right? Okay, very good. So hope you all practiced it. So today we will start the new one, that is doing time, at page number 48, and that is your doing time. So everyone take your copy book with you. Take your EVS copy book with you. Let's start with question A. Who am I? Who am I? Here are some statements, and besides those statements you can see some blanks, some boxes, right? And you have to fill it. First one, see, I am on the top. I give a cover. It's page number 48. Shaptarshi, it's 48. This is your 8th chapter, My Home. Everyone open it. Now tell me the question 1. I am on the top. I give a cover. I am on the top. I give a cover. And here some letters already given. So let's see what's it. C, which is already given. E also. I here. And next, that is blanks. Again blanks, and last one is G. So what's it? Very good. That is ceiling. That is ceiling. So here, which we can see when we are in a room, and if we see over our head, we can see the ceiling who give a cover, right? Who give a cover. So that is ceiling. 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 Very good, everyone. Give the correct answer. Very good. Now go to the next one. Go to the question 2. I divide your rooms. I divide your rooms. So in our house, our rooms are divided, right? So who divide our rooms? Very good, Anirban. And others also. And here, first one is blank, second one is a blank box, and the next one, which is L, is already given, and again blanks. So we have to fill it. Who divide our rooms? That is wall. Very good. W-A-L-L. Wall. Very good, everyone. That is wall. And the next one is, the third one is, I give light and air. I give light and air. So this thing, if we open it, we get air and light. And our rooms, will be airy and sunny, right? So what's it? Very good. Anirban, Debayon. Very good. Kaustav, Mahian. That is window. That is window. So here W I N D O W. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Very good, everyone. Arunavo, Shovik. Very good. So, the window give us light and air, right? Very good. Now go to the next one, fourth one. You always step on me. You always step on me. So first one F which already given, next is blank, then O, next again blank, and the R. So what's it? Yes, very good, Debayon. Aritro, Mahian, Alokendu. Very good, Aryan. Very good. Arunavo, Rishi, that is floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. So here in the first questions, who am I? Here we already get 4 statements and we already found it. So first one, I am on the top and I give a cover. So that is ceiling, right? C-E-I-L-I-N-G. The second one, I divide your rooms. I divide your rooms, and that is wall. Third one, I give light and air, that is window. And the fourth one, you always step on me, that is floor. Very good, you already completed. Now see the question B. Name the rooms where you would find these things. Here you can see 3 pictures, right? See the book. Here 3 pictures. So you have to tell me those things in which rooms you will find it. First one we can see, here is a bed, a picture of bed. Now you have to answer me where we will find it. Very good, Shapturshi, Aryan, Shovik, Aritra, very good. So first one is this picture of bed which we can see, and we will find it in bedroom. Bedroom. Very good, everyone. Very good, Parvez. That is bedroom. So first one is bedroom. The second picture is sofa. We can see there is a sofa. So where will we find it? Yes, very good. In drawing room. The second one is drawing room. Very good. Very good, Parvez, Aritro, Kaustav, Debayon, Shanaya. Very good. So that is drawing room. Now the last one is there is a table which we can see, and on the table there is some fruits. So what room is that? Very good. Very good, Shovik, Shanaya, Shaptoshi. That is dining room. That is dining room. Very good. Very good, Alokendu. But you have to, I already told you, you have to write it in your EVS copy book. Right, Alokendu? So here those three pictures which we will find, those rooms. First one is bedroom, second is drawing room, and third one is dining room. Next, see, if you want to make these things, you can try it at your home. That is your make your own castle. Make your own castles. So what we'll have to do? First, you have to take a shoe box, a empty shoe box, and then you have to cut out a white rectangle along the front side. Those front side of this shoe box, you have to cut it in a white rectangle, and the back to form towers at the corners. And in this shoe box, those corners you have to make a tower. See the picture. See the picture of this book. Like that you have to make this tower. And then the next step, you have to cut out those rectangular crenellations along the entire top of the castles. When you first have to already cut it those rectangular shape, and now you can again you have to cut it in a rectangular crenellations along the entire top, only the top. You can see somewhere is high, somewhere is down, right? So you have to cut it like that, like these pictures. And the next is draw a drawbridge at the front of the castles. Front of the castles, you have to make a drawbridge like a big door, right? Using the point of scissors. Using the point of scissors. Poke two small holes like that. See the pictures. Here you can see two small holes. You have to make this with the point of the scissors. And in the side of this drawbridge, and on both side of wall next to it, both side of wall, cut out this drawbridge. Now you have to cut it with from this shoe box. Next step is attach a string. Now you have to take a string, and now you have to attach it with those holes, each side of drawbridge and adjoining wall. Now you have to make a string, and you have to put it and adjoining those wall. That's here it completed. Now you can color your own castles. It's already completed your own castles. Now you can color it which color you love it and you want to do by your crayons. Okay, so you can make this your own castles at your home if you want to do this. Now see the next page, the page number 49, question D. Where will these children go? Here you can see some children, they say something. They say something, and in the middle of the page you can see a house with 4 rooms, right? See this, with 4 rooms. And here you have to choose the correct one which those children want to go on which room. Okay, so let's see. First one is, I am feeling sleepy, I need to rest. The boy who is saying, I am feeling sleepy, I need to rest. Now tell me, where will these children go? Very good. So the first one is want to go in bedroom. The first one is wanted to go in bedroom. As he is very sleepy, he wanted to go in bedroom. Very good. You can see here in this picture there is a bedroom, right? So you can take a pencil and you can draw a lines from this boy to the room, to the bedroom. You can make a line. Okay, yes, very good. Very good, Aryan, Adrija, very good. Now see the next one. That is one boy who is very hungry. And he is saying, I am hungry. Let me get something to eat. And where you will find something to eat? Yes, that is kitchen. Very good, Mahian, Aryan, Rishi. So second one is kitchen. Second one is kitchen. So if we go to the kitchen, we will find something to eat, right? As this boy is so hungry and he want to eat something, so he want to go in kitchen. Very good, Shanaya, Parvez, Aritra, Kaustav, very good. Now say the third picture, a girl is holding a comb and saying, I have to wash my dirty hair. I have to wash my dirty hair. So where will she go? Very good. She will go in bathroom or washroom. You can say it both. Yes, bathroom or washroom. So I am writing here both. Okay, you can write anything between two. So bathroom or washroom. And the next one is, I need to study. It's exam time. Your exam time is coming soon, right? So you all need to study and you can study in study room. Yes, that is study room. The last one is study room. This boy want to go in study room. So here in these pictures, the story of these pictures, we will find the first boy who is very tired, who need to sleep, who need to rest. That's why he want to go in bedroom. Second boy who is very hungry and who want to eat something. That's why who wants to go in kitchen. The girl who want to wash her dirty hair, that's why she needs to go in bathroom or washroom. And the last one, the boy need to study, as that is his exam time and he wants to go in study room. Okay, very good, Kaustav, Adrija, Debayon. So here we completed this 2 page 48 and 49. That was your doing time, and you have to write those things at your copy book. Okay, and those next page 50 and 51, you can try this at your home. You can try this at your home, because those activity sheets and test papers, which those questions are also very important in your exam. So you can try this. We will proceed this at your next class. Okay. you can try it at your home. So today we completed our exercise part, this doing time. So let's practice it at your home, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, very good, very good, Anirban. Uh, okay, Debayon. So you haven't any problem. Okay. So that's all for today, everyone. Have a nice day. And first of all, you have this term one. You have to read from first chapter to this chapter very attentively. Okay. Okay. So read those 8th chapter very attentively. My home and activity sheet and those test paper one. You can practice it at your home. So that's all, and bye.